but as you can hear, we're at the track. We're at GLD. We got some beautiful weather besides the wind. And yeah, we're sending it in the wide body today. Got plenty of people here, plenty of cars, just having some fun. I'm gonna throw the camera. I've already done a couple runs. I'm gonna throw some cameras on the car. Nimbus is chilling, like always. Got the 265s on it right now, because yeah, it still feels gripped up. So yeah, even the 265s are a little much. Alright boys, so we got the Insta360 X3 on the back. We got the Ace Pro on the chin. Hopefully you can see, because it's kind of low. I feel like you're only going to be able to see like my hand movement. I feel like this is going to be too low. I have no other place to mount it though, because the visor's in the way. I might have to just do it on the side. Which sucks. I don't really like cameras on the side, especially because my head containment's right here wouldn't really fit. Sick! I almost spun on the back half over there, but we held it in, so good shit. Dude, this wind is fucking crazy. Look at this. I'm gonna open my hood. Look, it just stays open by itself. This wind is nuts, but I'm warming up some pizza on the engine right now because it's about 1 o'clock. Gotta eat some lunch and let the car cool off a little bit. Let the tires cool off a little bit. Man, what a day though. What a beautiful weather. Awesome day. I'm gonna ask someone to film on this camera so I could get some outside shots. Well, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the line just keeps getting longer. The line just keeps getting longer. It's now all the way wrapped around. It's fucking crazy. So, yeah. I'm just letting the car chill out a little bit. The interior is like sweltering hot, so it's a bit terrible being inside of there. So I'm letting it cool off, and yeah, once it cools off, I'm gonna head back out because I still got plenty of tire left. Like these 651s, man, these things just last forever. I freaking love these tires. Get yourself a set. These things are awesome. Same thing in the front. Just scrubbed, nothing. Car's doing great. Everything's working great. No problems. So, just gonna chill out for a little bit and head back out. Look who we have here. well, that's gonna wrap it up for me, ding dongs. I've been here for almost 7 hours. I'm beat, sunburnt. So, yeah, successful day drifting. I even managed to get Mike out here. He's got the Z here. It's slow as hell, but he's having a good time. So, thank you so much for watching, ding dongs. Stay sweet, peace out, and I'll see you guys next week.
America, America. Do you have your passport?